Good day. Today we will make my favorite sandwich, grilled bacon cheeseburger. Join me in my cooking session. Ito po ang ating mga ingredients: bacon, burger patty, mayonnaise, bread, tsaka cheese slices. Tara, luto na tayo. Let's grill our bacon and patty. Let's start with the bacon. Afterwards, we will put the patty. Cool. Mukhang luto na ang ating bacon dahil mas mabilis siya maluto. Ilipan na natin at hatiin natin dahil siya ay mahaba. Since malapit na po matapos maluto ang ating burger patty, lagyan na po natin ng mayonnaise ang ating bread. Kunin na po natin ang ating burger patty. Pagkatapos ay ilagay natin ang ating mga bacon. And last, ilagay na po natin ang ating cheese. And yan. We're done. This is our homemade grilled bacon cheeseburger. Let's taste it. Sarap. Thank you.